Kaspa's recent performance compared to the rest of the market has left a lot of people with doubts about its future, so I wanted to make this video to shed some light on the current price action, the potential reason for it, and why it's not as bad as people are making it out to be. Alright, so first of all, let's clear the chart and zoom out a second. Before we talk about underperforming, we need to talk about the fact that Kaspa has been in a steady uptrend without any major corrections since it launched. I've talked in my past Kaspa videos about this wave pattern that we identified, where Kaspa would have two main waves, consolidation, and then the next leg up. Two main waves, consolidation, next leg up. And we did start to see that trend forming again over the past year, although I think we can all agree that trend has probably broken now. The key levels that we identified in those videos are still very much valid. In particular, this support level at 10 cents, which we did come down and bounce from just a couple of days ago. This is by far the most important support level on the Kaspa chart right now. If we look on the weekly chart, we have not closed a weekly candle below 10 cents since we passed that level in November last year. We've had a couple of fake outs below it, but we have not closed a weekly candle below that level. So that is a very, very significant level of support. And I've said it for the past 6 months now. I will remain bullish on Kaspa unless we confirm a breakdown of that 10 cent level, which specifically would be in the form of a weekly candle close below this line. If that happened, I would personally be bearish on Kaspa in the short to mid term, and I would be scaling back my position to manage risk in the short term, but we'll cross that bridge if and when we come to it. Now, to be clear, I very much still believe in Kaspa over the long term, especially considering that we haven't even seen the huge altcoin rally that we're expecting this cycle yet. But you can't let your emotions get involved with trading. That's how you end up down bad and coping like an XRP or ADA holder. And you shouldn't let any white noise community bullshit try and convince you otherwise. Now, on the flip side, this 10 cent level is technically speaking a fantastic place to buy. I've just laid it out in black and white for you. If you buy in here, there's a huge amount of upside potential even within this 10 to 20 cent range that we're currently trading in. But if we do break down and close that all-important weekly candle below 10 cent, you can just sell again, and you won't even be down that much. Although, do make sure to wait for that weekly candle close as confirmation, because Kaspa is highly prone to fake outs and scam wicks like we've seen before, so you don't want to go panic selling as soon as we see a 4-hour candle dip below 10 cents. Now, the final thing I want to cover is why this correction might be happening. There's a lot of speculation about this. The theory I think holds the most weight is potential manipulation by tier 1 exchanges who are looking to load up on large amounts, which they need as liquidity in order to list Kaspa in future. And this current price level does present an ideal opportunity for exchanges looking to get in. In a lot of ways, this is exactly what I expected to happen. It just took slightly longer than I thought it would. Now, as for the immediate future of Kaspa, if the market remains bullish, I would expect us to return back to the top of the range around the 20 cent level, especially if Bitcoin does break its all-time high soon. I think that would happen relatively quickly. I personally think it's pointless trying to predict anything beyond that. It's better to just react to the price action as it happens. In the meantime, go ahead and subscribe, like, join the Telegram, all that good stuff. I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.